Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to be taking a short departure from holiday decorations. So today I'll be creating a gorgeous vase using some items from the Dollar Tree, my thrift store, and from Amazon. So I'm going to get started. So I'm going to be using this beautiful vase that I picked up from my thrift store. I don't quite know what it was used for, but today I'm going to use it as a base for my vase. And this vase I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Also, I will be using this black adhesive felt as well as a piece of cardboard. This is the adhesive diamond wrap and I got that from Amazon. These glitter picks I got from my discount store. For my adhesive, I'll be using my Aleene's The Ultimate, my hot glue gun, and today I will be using the double-sided stick tape. And also I will be using all those tools. So before I get started, I'm going to take a little bit of my hairspray that I use as a sealer to seal the glitter onto a lot of the items that I create or that I'm going to use. And so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just making sure we have as less glitter fallout as possible. So this base, guys, is really beautiful. It's heavy and I think it is gold plated, although I'm not 100% sure. So what I'm going to do today with this is I'm going to fix the bottom of it because I don't like the opening. And I'm just going to cut that out. So now I'm going to take this nail file and just file down the edges. I'm going to cut a couple of strips of the diamond adhesive wrap and I'm going to apply it to the outer perimeter of the cardboard. Once that's done, I'm going to take the black felt and I'm just going to apply it to the cardboard and then I'm going to cut it down to size. So now that that's done, I'm going to take a little bit of my hot glue and I'm going to adhere the heavy vase to the cardboard base. Now I'm going to use a little bit of my Aleene's The Ultimate. This is my permanent adhesive. And I'm just going to apply it to the area of the base that's going to support this base. After I'm done with this, I'm going to set this to the side and allow it to dry overnight. So these are the picks that I picked up from my discount store. This is part of their holiday items and I'm just going to use these today to decorate the vase. And I'm just going to use the flatter pieces, the pieces I know will adhere to the vase the best. So it's the next day, and as you can see, it looks really nice already. So I'm going to take a little alcohol and just clean off the glass. This is double-sided adhesive tape. It has an adhesive effect on both sides. This works extremely well. I'm using this in place of hot glue today. This is very sticky and it holds items together for a very long time. So to pull it from the roll, I have to use something that it won't stick to. This does not stick to my silicone tweezers. So I'm going to use that to pull it from the roll and place it on the vase. And then I'm going to take one of the picks and press the picks into place. And guys, look how nice this looks. Everything looks so nice now that it's all together. So I'm going to take a small piece of the golden contact paper. I'm just going to cut it into a circle and place it inside the vase. I want to cover that little hole that's inside that gold base. Our vase is complete at this point and it looks really, really beautiful. So this little glass cup I picked up from the Dollar Tree. You get 4 for $1.25. I'm going to use that as a riser inside the vase. And guys, look how beautiful this candle is. I picked up this candle from my thrift store. It's absolutely beautiful. And I've decided to use that today. I'm also going to be demonstrating what the vase looks like with a solid ivory candle as well. I absolutely love the way the vase turned out, and the base is absolutely gorgeous. I love the antique look about it. It looks antique to me and I love that about it. So you let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. So you stay well, you stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.